I am Manish Seksaria, Managing Director of JG Spinning Mills Private Limited, Annur, Coimbatore. And we are running a textile spinning mill here in Annur for last 25 years. We were already into conventional power generation and all, and then we slowly switched to renewable energy in 2012 in the form of wind energy. And slowly, when solar became more lucrative and competitive in market, post-COVID in 2020, we thought that solar is a good proposition. So in 2021, we started venturing into rooftop solar projects. We studied a lot of other panels also. Along with LONGi, we had other Indian panels also and some other competitor panels also. Through our friends and some other industry people, we came to know that LONGi is better than other panels. So that was the reason we chose LONGi. Right from installation onwards, we never had any service issues with LONGi, and the panel failure rate is also negligible, and generation has also been consistent. There is generation throughout the year, and whatever commitment has been given us by the company from whom we have purchased, we have met that generation targets. Definitely there has been cost saving for us, because every year, as you know, in Tamil Nadu the power cost has been increasing every year for industries. So compared to that, we are saving quite good, and in future also we want to go for further expansion in solar. See, we had a lot of EPC partners coming to us, and we had discussions with everybody. We found Viridis to be quite convincing compared to others, and his approach and his teamwork was far better than compared to others. When you install the solar, the asset is with you, it's within your premises, and you are generating and you are consuming it. So maintenance cost is very, very low, because you don't need to have any transmission or a billing arrangement, you don't need to have. Secondly, the cost of maintenance and operation of solar is very, very cheap compared to wind and other sources. I would recommend that you should definitely go for solar.